All right, jumping into VoiceOver, I'm going to show you how to do the smoky lash line. I'm using Shadow Shields. I'm starting with that skin tone bronzer, and I'm starting in the outer corner and sort of creating like a V shape, connecting the socket line right into the lash line there. Everything is connecting at the outer corner. Taking that nude sticks, using the warmth of my finger there, I'm just going to kind of smudge that right along the lash line. This is going to give me a nice base for the smoky lash line. I'm taking that dark shade on a flat definer brush, and I'm stamping and wiggling that into the root of the lashes, really going to thicken those up, and then I'm going to pull that out right alongside the shadow shield there. And I'm taking that taupey, kind of a light gray mid-tone shade and smoking that right on top of that. And then I'm taking the bronzer and I'm going to smoke that on top of that shade. So we're creating sort of a ombre of dimension. We got 3 layers working. And then the last step is to take an angled liner brush and sort of create a soft like baby wing. You want to pull it out alongside the shield there. And then once you remove the shadow shields or tape, whatever you're using, you want to touch up with concealer. I'm using also a little bit of the Huda Beauty, the Easy Bake there, really snatching that line up. And this is the final look.